Hi, my name is Robin Stoltman, and I am inviting you to something special that I've never done before. And yet I'm super excited because this will be something that is specifically designed for women that are overwhelmed. Perhaps the stress is coming from your mother in law, maybe your husband, or perhaps even your children. But either way, you're overwhelmed, you feel like you're worn out, burnt out, and sometimes life just doesn't seem like what you thought it would be. Would be a lot less stress, where you were able to handle things. And so sometimes things get out of control, which I definitely understand, been there myself many times. And yet you seem like you're juggling everything from work to the dogs to the cats to the kids to the husband to who knows what these days. And yet, deep down inside that your soul is creating a reset from life that just seems like it's out of control sometimes. And rather than sit here scrolling on the phone, losing track of time and the precious time with your children and precious time with your spouse, some days you're just like, I can't handle it all. Instead of choosing to escape that way, or instead of choosing to escape in the bottle, you pick the bottle. What about doing something for you where you're able to help from the mind? In this uplifting 45-minute live session, I will be guiding you through practical, no fluff mindset strategies to recenter, refocus, so that you can breathe easily again. Because after all, we all have our own escape mechanism. That's what we do. Some people eat, some people drink, some people take medicines. Like, there's that reason for that. And I'm not putting anybody down. I'm just saying there's a reason why we sometimes just want to escape the reality that we've created. And so in doing this reset and recenter, where we're helping you with different tools to help calm the mind, walk in love, to have that emotional space, with simple mindset tools that you can use right now and every day throughout the rest of your life. So this is perfect for moms, entrepreneurs, or any woman in this busy season of life that really just wants to de-stress, take a breath for once, to enjoy life. And this will be a 45-minute, very powerful session, and yet so relaxing and rewarding. And this won't be a sales pitch. It's simply support, plain and simple.